Good afternoon, YouTubers. Allow me to introduce you to my fruit and vegetable garden. No, seriously. I've gone on YouTube and I've watched a lot of product interviews on YouTube over the months and the years. And I've watched videos on lawnmowers, chainsaws, axes, firearms, you name it. And some of the interviews that I watched, two things that I found very interesting is, one, you have somebody who, they just bought the product today, they brought it home, and man, I think this is a good product, I'm really happy with it. Well, of course you're happy with it, or you wouldn't have bought it, right? But how do you know it's a good product? You just bought it today, you haven't even taken it out of the box. Then there are other people who have done product reviews that say, man, this thing's a workhorse, I've had it for 25 years, it works great. Well, that's great, and it may be a workhorse, and that means that the company made a good product 25 years ago, but do they still make a good product today? Hence the reason for this video here. This is a John Deere D110. I paid about $1,800 for it. About maybe 2.5 years ago. It's had some, it's got some time under its belt, and it's been given a good run, and well, I'm happy with it. The only issue that I'm having, and it's not John Deere's fault, is keeping air in the tires. I ran over something, and so now I have to put air in the tires from time to time. I need to put a new tire on it. Anyway, so what I want to do today is I want to demonstrate to you what a job this thing will do on your lawn if you have an acre, acre and a quarter, acre and a half or less. It's what it was designed for, about an acre or less. And I'm going to give it a good practice run for you. Like a boss. Thanks for watching.